Hey guys, Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to give you a tour of our fabrication area. Okay, so here's our belt sander, oxygen settling, workbench, one of my favourite machines, the bead roller. Do some intricate shapes with that. Can make a lot of, if you know how to use it right, you can make a lot of panels with that. Streaker and stretcher, hammer, power hammer behind that, English roll in the corner, and always good to have a laser in stock. So that was a quick tour of our fabrication area. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll be seeing us put these tools into action very soon. Hope you like the video, so please share, comment and like, and don't forget, we build dreams.